Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and let's get right into today's video. So for this video, I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree press-on nail tips for my 12-year-old daughter because she saw me do the press-on, so she wanted to do it. So I said, okay, let me do it, and I'll do a video on it. So I'm just using everything from the Dollar Tree. There's two different manicure sets. If you saw my previous Dollar Tree video, you'll see which products that I liked more. So I'm just taking everything out and I'll begin prepping her. So surprisingly, I found this nail drill at a dollar store. And so I said, okay, let's see how good this $1 nail drill is. And it didn't work. So I'm just showing you how you open it and you put in the battery, and it did not work. Like, I tried to press the button and it wouldn't work. So I just said, forget that, and I moved on. So I'm just pushing her cuticles back with this plastic cuticle pusher. And now I'm just taking the wooden stick and going underneath her nails and cleaning them out. So now I'm just taking my cuticle scissors and cutting her cuticles. And now just remember to be very careful when you're cutting the cuticles. She had, like, you know, a little extra skin there, so I was just careful because I didn't want to cut her, and, you know, I didn't want to do too much on her nails. And once that's done, I go in with this metal file and just round out her nails and shape them. Now I go in with this nail file, which is more like a buffer because it's a 320 grit. So I'm just buffing out her nails to make sure that hopefully these press-on nails will stick and stay long, or longer than a day. And now I just brush her nails with some alcohol. And, you know, alcohol also dehydrates the nails, so I don't need to put a dehydrator. And I didn't put a primer either because I thought it was just unnecessary for these type of nails. So this is the nail glue that I had bought from the Dollar Tree, and these are the press-ons. So she wanted the exact same press-ons from my previous videos, so that's what I got for her. And like I said, if you saw my previous video, one press-on set only has 12 different sizes, so you'll need two for a full set of 10 nails. So I'm just sizing all her nails and seeing which ones fit. So now I'm just placing the glue on her nail plate, and then I add the press-on tips to her natural nail. So for this hand, you see me putting the glue into the press-on tip and then placing it on her natural nail. And this I recommend more because there were basically like little to none air bubbles, whereas the other hand had more air bubbles. So I recommend this way better, for especially for press-on nails. And you want to avoid air bubbles because that will cause lifting and most likely have the press-on nail pop off. So once that's done, I just go in and reshape her nail. She wanted a square shape, so I'm making it to a square, and Like I said, this is a nail buffer. I would not recommend using a 100 grit or 80 grit, or maybe not even a 180 grit, because these are, plastic tips and they're so fragile that they might crack from the pressure, or, too high of a grit. So, and plus I'm going around her cuticle area and, trying to make it as flush as possible. So that's what I'm doing now. So once I'm done filing, I go over her nails and just brush it off with some alcohol, and then go in with this top coat. Now I thought I could use this top coat on the press-on nails, but when I was placing this top coat on, it was like cracking the plastic, or like looking all, cracked up. And I was just like, okay, maybe this top coat is definitely not for press-ons. So after doing all 5, I go in and just spray some alcohol and wipe it off. And this is what I mean when I was talking about like cracking of the nail. That's what it looked like. So as you guys can see, from that top coat, it chipped away at the pointer finger. So I don't recommend using a top coat, guys, when using press-ons. But this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for commenting, liking, and subscribing. I will be doing some more mommy and daughter videos in the future. So until then, thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time.